Hello everyone. In this video lesson I'd like to show you how to use a dictionary, an English dictionary effectively. And I'd like to start with something that may terrorize some students, which is phrasal verbs. I'd like to use this one that most of you may know, work out. So we click it here. Then there you go, work out definition. You can see here on its menu that you've got some definitions to it, and that's what you've got to pay attention to, because depending on the context, it's going to have a different definition. So the first one, as you can see, is solve a problem, and you've got some other 5. Let's have a look. So number 1, what information have we got here? It shows that it's a transitive verb, and you've got the definition itself saying to solve a problem by doing a calculation, and then an example of it in its use in blue. I was born in 1947, you work out my age. So you do the calculation, that's what it means. Then you've got, again for number 1, let's say an additional example with definition and explanation. To solve a problem by considering the facts, for example, I can't work out what to do. So even if I consider the facts, I don't know what to do. And let's say B, to deal with the problem in a satisfactory way. The example is, we've worked out our differences, again, meaning that you dealt with that problem. See that now you've got number 2. So the definitions are normally ordered by its frequency of how much that meaning occurs in language. On number 2, you've got the explanation that says it's an intransitive verb this time, and it means to be successful or to end in a particular way. The example given is, if it doesn't work out, you can always come back here. And there is even another example. Things worked out pretty well in the end. See that if you go on, you've got explanation 3, more examples, definition 4, number 5, which most of you may know, by the way. So to do physical exercise as a way of keeping fit, the example is given here. He works out at the local gym every day, plus another one, number 6. See that every time, for example, you look up a phrasal verb in the dictionary, you've got to see its context. In fact, it's different contexts. In order to study that, without any phrase, any sentence in which it's inserted, it's terribly difficult to memorize it, because it can mean many things. For example, in this case, 6 different things. So the point is, as you look up a word or a term, such as a phrasal verb, always scroll down and up the page, read all the definitions, read the examples, and then you yourself may take note of an example that is more personalized, that is relevant to you. So it's much more easy to memorize it. Okay? I hope I have helped you, and we may have some other hints on how to use effectively an English dictionary. By the way, as you can see, this one I am using is an online dictionary called Macmillan Dictionary, whose address is www.macmillandictionary.com. See you later.